Alright guys, you're here live with Larry the mechanic. Alright, everybody's got one of these 2.0 Jeep Patriots 2014. Started throwing that Thunderbolt signal on the dash. Thunderbolt, I think traction control, check engine light. Goes into limp mode, you know, you can't drive over a certain speed. Real simple fix. They make it out to be crazy, like you gotta replace your throttle body and reprogram everything. Your throttle body right down here, okay? You can't see it because this duct is in the way. You gotta pull this out. Once you get down in there, you get this off here. There's another one of these clamps on the other end. Gotta get this connector off. First, you gotta pop this little red out. So first thing you gotta do is use a screwdriver and pop that red this way out. Once you pop that out, you can push the little detent, pull that out. Then there's a little Christmas tree down there. It's in a tough spot, but you'll be able to get the little Christmas tree out of it's connected to this housing. It's just a wire. Once you get that Christmas tree out of the way, then you can disconnect this on the other side down here and pull the hose out, all right? Once you get that far, you'll get a look at the throttle body. And you'll be able to tell if it's dirty. There's probably gonna be some brown gunk right there where the throttle body closes. And you just clean it out, okay? Look, you get you a brush, make sure it's plastic, make sure it's soft. You don't want nothing that's gonna scratch it. Get you a microfiber towel. Look at all the gunk I brought off that. This towel was in good shape. See all that? This is the crud you're gonna clean off that throttle body, and you're just gonna take your time. You can get a long screwdriver like this, stick it on the towel, spray some of this throttle body cleaner. You have to get this stuff that's made for throttle bodies. Do not use carb spray, do not use any of that. It has to be throttle body spray and air and intake. Whatever it says on there has to say throttle body, because you're gonna rub the coating that's on the throttle body off, and that coating is important. This stuff don't rub it off, all right? You see I use this crowfoot pin puller. I use this to get that Christmas tree off. You should use a flathead, and I use a little, what is this? 8mm socket. That's how I snake down here. You're gonna have to move this radiator hose out of the way and finagle it. If it's hot, you better be careful. You better wait till it cools down, but you can get this down in here and use this to get that other hose clamp off. Yeah, clean it out nice and good till you don't got any more gunk coming out. You might want to wait like 15 minutes for that carb cleaner to dissipate inside the throttle body. I didn't wait, but it's probably a good idea to wait. And then you fire it up. I fired it up, everything was good to go. I used my scan tool, cleared the check engine light, drove up and down the road, no issues. So this solved my problem. Hopefully somebody else can just clean their throttle body. Just a spring cleaning. Get that bad boy nice and clean. Car run nice. All right, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Yo.